Hi everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Schoology courses to sync with your student information system. In this case we are going to be syncing to PowerSchool. So the first thing you need to do is go to one of your courses and you're going to want to go to Grade Setup. Grade Setup is where you can create the categories you want to have inside your Schoology course. So depending on what type of assignments you create, you can list them all here. And all you need to do is click on this Add button, and then you can add another one. So let's say we add homework, and then we hit Create. So we have two categories here, and we can create more, but maybe these are the only two we want. Once you have created the categories that you're going to be using to grade students on their assignment in Schoology, then we're going to come down to our integrated feature over here, which has our student information system, PowerSchool. So now I go ahead and click on PowerSchool, and I'm going to come over to this configuration area over here. This is a one-time setup for each of your Schoology courses. If you have semester-long courses or quarter-long courses, you will have to do this each time a new quarter comes up. So now you can see in here, my PowerSchool categories have already been created in PowerSchool. So now I have to determine of these categories that I created in Schoology, where they're going to go into PowerSchool. So let's go over here to Exit Tickets Due Now. So I would click on this, and then for homework, I would do this. I don't have to match a category for every single one that I have in PowerSchool. Maybe these are the only types of assignments I'm going to include in Schoology. So once I've done that, all I have to do is hit Save Changes. Once the changes have been saved, now I am ready to be able to sync over to the student information system. So as I give assignments and I assign them a category, I can see them over here in Sync Grades. Any grades that you want to sync will show up here, and you can manually sync them one at a time, or you can go up here and you can click Sync All Changes. If you have additional courses or if you have linked Schoology courses, you will have to do this for every linked course that is under your name. And that's really all you need to do.